Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we did have this week the weekly security update for Google Chrome. That is important to check out. It doesn't seem to be a 0-day, but it's only one fix. So if you go to your Chrome browser, go into the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, go into Help and About Google Chrome. You will be moved to version 144.0.7559.109.110, depending on the version of the operating system you're using. And this fixes one security flaw that was in Google Chrome. It's a high severity flaw, so it's easy to exploit. But like I said, doesn't seem to be any 0 days for now. So only one. That also will probably move on to the Chromium browser. So if you use Opera, Brave, Vivaldi, Edge, and others, you will have also this fix being pushed to you, as this will definitely move on to the other Chromium browsers. Just stay safe, of course, since this is your first line of defense. It is, after all, what you use to go on the web mostly. And this is very important to fix, more important than anything else if you want to keep your computer safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.